In this video, I'm going to show you how you change a percent into a fraction. Let's follow this general rule. We're going to take the percent number, which we'll say is x, and we're going to put it over 100 because percent means per 100. Let's walk through 4 examples to show you how it's done. First example, 74 over 100. Now we can look at our numerator and denominator and see they're both even, so there should be a divisible by 2. So let's divide by 2 if we want to show this in our simplest form. And we will get 74 divided by 2 is 37, and 100 divided by 2 is 50. So 37 over 50 is 74% in its simplest terms. The next one's a little bit tricky, but let's walk through it. 3.5 over 100. Well, I don't want to divide a decimal into a fraction. So let's see if we can't get this decimal away by multiplying by 10. So if we multiply by 10 on our numerator to get us 35, we have to also multiply our denominator. So now we get 35 over 1,000. You can see the numerator ends in 5, denominator ends in 0, so they're both divisible by 5. So let's divide by 5 and see if we can't reduce this down. 35 divided by 5 is going to be 7. 1,000 divided by 5 is going to be 200. So 7 over 200 is 3.5% in fractional form. Example 3, 52%. So 52 over 100. Both of them are even, so we know we can divide by 2. Let's divide by 2, and we will get 26 over 50. They're both still even. Let's divide by 2 again, and we will get 13 over 25. So 52% is equal to 13 over 25 in its simplest form. Last example, 37%. Let's put our 37 over 100. Numerator is not even, denominator is, so we can't use 2. I don't know of any factors of 37 that also goes into 100, so guess what? 37 over 100 is the fraction to 37%. So now that you've seen these 4 examples, try the bonus question on your own. I'll drop a link in the description for the answer video to this problem. Let me know in the comments if you were able to figure it out on your own. Good luck. If you want to see more math help videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And check out my website at improvemath.com to download your free printable worksheet. Thanks for watching.